passage once again. We'll read it and I will read fastly and I will show once a minute. So this is the last passage in 1988 question paper. One day the famous Hindi poet Nirala was going in a rickshaw. Short while ago, he got a reward of 1000 rupees for his poetry. He saw by the roadside a woman beggar. He stopped his rickshaw, went near to her and asked, "How much did you get out of your begging today?" "My son, I did not get anything since morning," replied the beggar woman. Nirala began to think that if the woman had a son like him, she would not have begged like this, and gave her a rupee and said, understood? Nirala began to think that if the woman had a son like him, she would not have begged like this. She would not have begged like this, and gave her a rupee and said, and who gave? Nirala. Nirala gave her a rupee and said, "Mother, how long will you have not to beg now?" Means if I give you 1 rupee, with 1 rupee, you will how long you will stay without begging? So that's why he gave her a 1 rupee and said, "Mother, how long will you have not to beg now?" After giving 1 rupee, he said, "For 3 days," said the woman. "Suppose if I give you 10 rupees, then," she told, 20 or 25 days. "Suppose I give you 100 rupees, then," who asked? I will ask the questions after my reading. 4 or 5 months. In the scorching heat of sun, Nirala continued. In the scorching heat of the sun, Nirala continued her asking questions and the woman replying all those questions. At this, the rickshaw puller was in all surprise. When Nirala gave her his last rupee, the woman said with joy, "My dear son, now I shall not have to beg now." Okay. Nirala heaved a sign of relief. He touched the feet of woman and went away in the rickshaw. Okay. I will pick one person and I will ask this Simon with this 20 or 25 days. Who told this? 20 or 25 days. Who told? Fastly. Shall I give a chance to others? If yes, type C in the chat.
Yes.
Yes, okay. I am giving chance to others. T. Hamsini, tell me the answer. 20 or 25 days. Who told that?
Nirala.
Okay. Wrong answer. Bonus 3. 20 or 25 days. Who told that? Who told that sentence in this passage? Okay. Once again, I will read. I have understood that you are somewhat confused. I will read once again. Okay, Sri Harshavardhan. Wait, he is trying to tell. I will see what he will tell. Tell Sri Harshavardhan. Put on your video and tell. I want to see you. I will see your face. Very good. Tell me the answer. Who told this?
Sir, mother.
20. Yes, the mother. Mother told. Okay, right. I will read it. Okay. Next, 4 or 5 months. Who told? T. Hamsini. T not M Hamsini. M Hamsini already given chance now for T Hamsini. Okay, M Hamsini. 4 or 5 months. Who told? 4 or 5 months. If you see here, if in any passage they will give 2 apostrophes, means if in any passage they will give the sentence between 2 apostrophes, means it is a reply or it is a conversation or it is some sentence of that person. It's conveying. Understood? Some point of the conversation. Understood? Just simply one conversation. Reply or asking question. Understood? Okay. What's the answer? 4 or 5 months means who told that 4 or 5 months? M. Hamsini.
Sir,
4 or 3. Okay, very good, mother. Okay, right. Uh, Mother. Okay, I will read it once again. I will read it. This passage is a very good passage actually. It's very wonderful passage. Okay, now I will start again. One day, the famous Hindi poet Nirala was going in rickshaw. Short while ago, he got a reward of 1000 rupee for his poetry. He saw by the roadside a woman beggar. He stopped his rickshaw, went near to her, and asked, "How much did you get out of this begging today?" "My son," who beggar means mother replied, "My son, I did not get anything since morning. I did not get anything since morning. From the morning, she didn't get anything," replied the beggar. You have to understand these two apostrophes. Next, Nirala began to think that if the woman had a son like him, Nirala began to think that if the woman had a son like him means son like himself, means this Nirala, son like Nirala. So he himself thought that if the woman has a son like me, then she would not have begged like this and gave her a rupee and said, okay, this much sentence, if you want to understand, means you need to practice lot. Understood? So it's a biggest sentence we can call. Nirala began. Still here also it didn't complete it. It's continued. It's continued till this. That's why you are confusing. But it's simplest conversation only there in this. No need to feel that much harder. Okay, I will from here I will feel. You have to feel and study. Listen. Nirala began to think that if the woman had a son like him, she would not have begged like this and gave her a rupee and said, "Mother, how long will you have not to beg now?" Means if he given a rupee, till how much time she can survive with that 1 rupee? That's there in this conversation. "Mother, how long will you have not to beg now?" Means if I gave you 1 rupee, how long you won't need to beg? Means if 1 rupee complete means she will beg now. So that's why he asked like that. So, "Mother, how long will you have not to beg now?" "For 3 days," said the woman. At that there's this is in the years of 90s now. In the 1990s, 1 rupee is equal to now I think 100 rupees. Now 100 rupees value for 1 rupee at that time. So that's why she said for 3 days, said the woman. Okay, who? Beggar mother, said the woman. Who asked? This Nirala asked. Nirala began to think that if the woman had a son like him, she would not have begged like this and begged like this and gave her a rupee and said, "Mother, how long will you have not to beg now?" Completed conversation. And now mother replied, "For 3 days," said the woman. "Suppose if I give you 10 rupees, then," who asked? Nirala asked. "Suppose if I give you 10 rupees, then 20 or 25 days," mother replied. Next, "Suppose I give you 100 rupees, then 4 or 5 months." In the scorching of heat, in scorching of means heat from the sun. Okay, in the scorching heat of the sun, Nirala continued her asking questions and woman replying all those questions. So he is go on asking the questions and woman is go on replying all those questions. At this, the rickshaw puller was surprised. Why he was surprised? He is discussing with beggar. Who felt that rickshaw felt that she is beggar, but he felt this Nirala felt that she is also one mother. So like that he felt and he is asked her. He was discussed, go on asking the questions. Okay, when Nirala gave her his last rupee means he is going on giving 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, and 3 rupees. where he started 1 rupee, 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Like that, he has go on giving. After when Nirala gave her his last rupee, her means mother, to her here again. When Nirala gave her his last rupee means if you give 100 rupees and if I give one more rupee again, my 1 rupee will be the last rupee. Okay. He gave her his last rupee. The woman said with joy, "My dear son, now I shall not have to beg now." So she told that she no need to beg now. That much money he has given. He has given in such a way that she no need to beg the next time. Okay. Nirala heaved a sign of relief. Then after listening this, "My dear son, now I shall not have to beg now." After listening this sentence from the mother, he felt a very sign of relief. He felt very relief. Next, he touched the feet of the woman and went away in his rickshaw. Okay, he took the blessings of that woman, beggar, and he went away from the rickshaw. It's a beautiful passage. I will ask one question. Next, new person. Maitreyi, tell me the answer. This unmute and you tell me this. Suppose I give 21 members. Suppose I give you 100 rupees, then who told this sentence? Suppose I give you 100 rupees, then this apostrophe is there, na? So that's why. Who told this sentence? Who told this? Who conveyed this?
Nirala.
Very good, Nirala. Very good. You are good. You are. Next, one more question. I will ask you one more question. In this, her indicates her. When Nirala gave her his last rupee, in this her indicates who?
Son.
Her, his last rupee. Total, how many characters are there in this passage? Nirala?
Son.
Nirala only felt as son. Means he felt that beggar as mother. So that's why he will become son. That's why she called my dear son. Now I shall not have to beg now. Understood? You have to feel this sentence. Okay. This very good. Okay, you unmute. Good. Okay. In this total characters are one rickshaw puller and one more. Is one more Nirala, rickshaw puller, woman, the beggar, woman or beggar or mother woman. Okay, mother. Those 3 names are given for that woman only. She is begging. But this Nirala felt that mother was, he felt as his mother. Okay. Next, we'll go through the questions. I will unmute everyone. What was the need for Nirala to stop to talk to the old woman? It was because. What was the need for Nirala to stop and to talk to the old woman? It was because he had 1000 rupees with him. He wanted to know how much the beggar woman was getting in a day. He wanted to help the beggar woman. He was her son. You eliminate, he had 1000 rupees, eliminate. He was her son, you can eliminate. Next, fastly.
Wanted to help the beggar woman. He wanted to help the beggar woman. He wanted to help the beggar.
I'll go through this sentence only. Wait, I'm going to this sentences only. What's there in this sentence? Where is this sentence? One day, the famous Hindi poet Nirala going a rickshaw short while ago, he reward 1000 rupees for his poetry. This only. Nirala is poetry, no?
This is.
He got a reward of 1000 rupees for his poetry. He saw by the roadside a woman beggar. He stopped his rickshaw, went near and her asked, "How much did you get out of your begging today?" Okay. So he has 1000 rupees with him. No, That's not the reason to stop and talk to that woman. He wanted to know how much the bigger woman was getting in a day.
Option
No.
2.
No, option 2 also absolutely wrong answer, because he saw the
Option
roadside
3.
woman. He stopped his rickshaw,
Option
went near. How much
Sir,
did you
option
get
3.
out of your?
Option 3.
He just asked that.
Option 3.
Okay.
Sir,
Can
option
anyone?
3. Sir, option
Okay,
3.
option 3. Okay, good answer, good children. But
Option
I need one reason. One.
Thank you, sir.
Wait a minute. How much did you get out of your begging today? Means who will tell this sentence meaning? Fastly. First of all, who told this? Who told this convey? Who conveyed this? You tell me first. How much did you get out of your begging today? Who told you?
Nirala.
Sir,
Okay, what is
Nirala.
the sentence? What is meaning of this sentence? Who will tell? Who will tell fastly? I will see. How much did you get out of your begging today? What means this question indicates? What this question indicates?
Nirala.
Okay, I will tell.
Today
Tell me.
how many money did you get?
Oh, okay. Till now, did you get today? That's asked, na? Yes, very good. That's why he has did he have used it? He has past tense he has used. How much did you get out of your begging today? Means till now, today till now, how much you got? That he asked. So he didn't know. He got to know about how much woman was getting in a day. In a day means every day we have to count. But he asked till now what you have earned. That's why. So how much did you get your name? My dear son, I did not replied the beggar. Next. So what's the answer? He wanted to help the beggar woman. What was need for Nirala to stop and to talk to the old woman? It was because. What's the reason? But short while ago, get reward 1,000. He saw the roadside woman bigger. He stopped his rickshaw and went near to her. How much did you get out of your begging today? My son, I did get anything since morning. Nirala began to think that if I had begged like this a rupee and said, Mother, how long you will? Okay, what's the answer?
Yes, sir, this is a
Two also absolutely wrong answer. This one is, but actually these are man-made questions. It will be also somewhat similar.
Option 3.
Option 3 will be
Sir,
correct
option
answer.
3.
Option 3.
Sir, option 3.
Okay, 2 will be somewhat similar when
Option 3.
how much the bigger was getting till that day. Okay. Option 3 is correct. How much money did Nirala give old woman? This is wonderful question. How much money did Nirala give the old woman?
100 rupees.
You have to tell me the
1,000
reason.
rupees.
100 rupees. Option 2.
Option 2, 10 rupees.
100 rupees. 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees.
Why 1,000? Why 1,000? Madhulika, tell me why 1,000? Tell me the reason why 1,000.
So why? Because Nirala had 1,000 rupees. She gave last rupee means she total gave no sir.
No, it's what he in the is there in passage they have given total he has given. Okay, you show me where that total is there.
Sir, this is a very old. Sir, last rupee no sir. Last rupee.
Very good, Madhulika. Just okay. Now you have got the point. This I need. This I need. First of all, okay, excellent. So first of all, listen here. He got a reward of 1,000 rupees for his poetry. Good. This is we have, but we have to go through last of this passage. Here they have given that when Nirala gave her his last rupee, the woman said with joy, my dear son, now I shall not have to beg now. So you have to help the beggars. This Sonu Sood is also a great person. He is also helping like this. His character also same like Sonu Sood. Yes or no? He given all of his money, 1,000 rupees he has given. So where he has showing when Nirala gave his last rupee means that 1,000th rupee. Understood? 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. If I give 999 rupees means which rupee I will left with? 1 rupee. So that will be the thousands will be the last rupee. You have to understand like that. Okay, very good. Madhulika. Good, good. Okay. So option is Nirala gave, how much money did Nirala give? 1000 rupees. Very good. Is next, the rickshaw puller was in surprise because a renowned poet was talking to beggar woman. Nirala was standing in the scorching heat of the sun. Nirala touched the feet of the beggar woman. Nirala gave too much money to beggar woman. What was the reason? We have to tick this. Surprise are already given in this passage. We have to go through the
Option 4.
where surprise there. Wait. Yes, in all surprise. At this, the rickshaw puller was in all surprise. At this means this. At this is going to before this sentence. Okay. At this. Okay. Now Nirala continued her asking questions and women replying all those questions. So what's the answer? Option 4 is wrong answer.
Sir, option
Nirala touched her feet. Wrong answer.
Option 4, sir.
Sir, 4.
Option 1, sir.
If I have cutted all these means option 1 will be correct now. Wait. Think of it. The rickshaw puller was in surprise. I will go through that sentence only. You will tell me the answer. Tell. Read this sentence. I have picked for you. Simon, I am also seeing you. N. Revant, you read this. Read this. I have picked sentence for you. See here. In surprise, this one, I have picked it for you. In all surprise. So in this only, this passage is there. In this sentence, it must be there. But in this sentence, at this, rickshaw puller was in surprise. At what? At this. At this means before sentence, you have to go. Understood? After seeing this sentence, after seeing this, rickshaw puller become surprised. So what is this sentence?
Sir, option.
In the scorching heat of the sun. Scorching heat means getting too much heat. If you stand out of the house when at 3 p.m. in your outside of your house in summer season, are you able to stand outside of your home? Means on terrace. Terrace, it's better. Terrace. On terrace at 3 p.m. means 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Are you able to stand on this summer season? The very scorching of the sun. Okay? In the scorching heat of sun, Nirala continued her asking questions and women replying all these questions. At this, the rickshaw puller was in all surprise. So the rickshaw puller was in all surprise because a renowned poet was talking to her. Nirala was standing in the scorching.
Sir, option 2.
Sir, option 2.
You don't tell in the means throwing stones somewhat. You are telling some in doubted manner. You should not tell like that. You must be confident. You have to tell confidently. Option 2 is absolutely correct answer. Okay, next 59th. The suitable title for this story.
Head of the sun.
Suitable title for the story. Beggar is beneficial. No, it's not good. Its title is, you should not keep like that. Begging is beneficial. No, begging is beneficial means everyone in the village or everyone in this world go on begging. Okay, one is wrong. A greedy beggar woman? No, she didn't. She is not greedy woman. Greedy means
Sir,
Asha.
option 4.
Atyasha means more desires. It's wrong. She is not greedy. A dedicated son is not son. Option 2. Graceful. You must be graceful. Grace of Lord. So, for the grace of your parents, because of the grace of your parents, you are studying well. Understood? You have came to this coaching with lots of your time, spending your time, and with the grace of your parents, your mother and father is cooking for you all day, every day, and cooking you and sending you with tiffin boxes and sending you for the tuition, and father also for your parent, your father is sending for you. So for the grace of your mother and father, you are here. Understood? You are in the Zoom meeting with updated technology. Means you are, if I am telling you to unmute means you are able to mute. I think at the age of your age children, I think they can't unmute like this, like you. He can't perfectly catch with me. Okay. Nirala was satisfied because he touched the feet of an old woman. He gave all his money as a help to the woman. He saw his mother in her.
is talking.
Okay. What's the answer? You tell me the answer of 80th. He saved the old woman from begging. He touched the feet of the old woman. He touched the feet of the old woman. If he touch means he will get the satisfaction. No.
Option 2.
He gave all his money as he helped the woman. This also doesn't give satisfaction.
Sir, option 4.
He saw his mother in her. He saw his mother in her.
Sir,
He
option
saw his mother in her.
3.
If he saw, wait. 3 is absolutely wrong answer. Because if he see mother in her means what he will get? He felt very unhappy. He felt very means what we'll call. He felt very sad about that. Understood? If mother is like this means what they are asking.
Sir,
Nirala
option
was satisfied because he saved the old woman from begging. Understood? He saved the old woman from begging. If he saw his mother in her, he won't be satisfied because that mother is begging now. So that won't give satisfaction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we'll go through one more. Wait. Fastly we'll go. We'll choose one more. Which one? 1990. I think we have didn't completed. No, this grammar. Not grammar. This
Math.
math. Okay, very good. Here is this math. 1989 we didn't complete it. Completed.
No, sir.
This square figures completed. No?
1989.
Okay,
Yes,
we'll
sir,
choose
yesterday
another.
completed.
Okay, we'll choose another. Good.
Sir, now we will choose series figures. 19.
Now, is it visible for you? This
Yes,
math
sir.
is visible for you?
Sir.
Okay. Who will tell fastly? I will see. Who will tell fastly? I will see. Today, everyone is unmuted, no? Okay, good. Study. Go. First answer. First.
First answer is
Sir,
option 1. Sir, option 1.
Very good. I am listening. You. Next, second one.
The second one.
Yes, like this.
Sir,
Yes, like this.
option
Option 3. I am faster than you. I am faster than you. And this one. I am faster than you. You should not beat me. You should not slower than me.
Sir, option 3. Sir, option 3. Sir, option 3.
Option 3. Very good. Next one. Next one.
Option 3.
Next one.
Option 2.
Option 2.
Option 2.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2. How? Wait.
Option 1.
Yes, option 2. Yes. Option 2 one will come. Because these lines are not touching. No? Yes, next. Fifth one.
Option 1.
I am confused. Option 1. Very good. Because this like this will come. Again here also it must come like this. Fifth one.
Sir, 6th one. Option 4.
Yes, only arrow will come here like this. 4 option 4.
Sir, 7th
Next.
one. Option 3.
7th one like this it will go. No?
Option 3.
Option 3. Very good.
Option
Be
3.
fast. This bonus is silent. Revant is silent. I am seeing everyone. T Ramsini now. Option 4. Okay, correct. Next, this one. This is rapid test. T Ramsini, you are not responding. N Revant. Bonus 3. C Harshavardhan. I am seeing everyone. Maitri is not responding.
Sir, option 4.
Maitreyi, you are also said square.
4.
Sir, option 4.
This
Sir,
must be
option 4.
filled. Option 4. Lakshmi Sanvi is telling fast. I am listening you. Okay, good. Option 4 is absolutely correct. Next, this one. This also circles must come. This is different. This is different.
Sir,
This
option
must
4.
be filled. Option 4. Very good.
Sir, option
Very
4.
good. You are very fast. Right. Very fast. Okay, understood everyone. This one, this
Yes, sir.
white is changed to black. White is this also white, black. Okay. Let's this one fast.
Option 1.
This one.
Option 1.
Circles are like this. Circles are like this. Circles. Here these both are same. These both must be same. Understood? Yes or no?
Sir,
These
option
both are
1.
same. These both must be
Sir,
same.
option 1.
Yes,
Sir,
option
option
1.
1.
Same. This one you have to pick. Okay. Next this one fast. These both are same. These both must be same.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
Yes. Very good.
Option 4.
Very good.
Option
You everyone put on your video. I think you are escaping. You are offing your video and you are escaping. You should not do like that.
Sir,
I am watching
32
everyone.
option 1.
These are same, but one box is removed.
Option
One
1.
circle removed.
Sir, option 1.
Sir,
Very
32
good.
option 1.
Yes, this one.
Sir, 42
Option 2. Option 2.
Option 4 is wrong. Option 4 is wrong. Here, see. These cross ones are the same.
Sir, option.
Cross ones are pictures.
Sir, option 1. Sir, option 1.
Option 1.
Option 1. Very good. This one.
Sir, 1.
This one.
Option 4.
Fast. See here. This circle is attached. And it will go. It will go for 2 times. This will go for 2 times. Here attach and here go inside. This also go for 2 times. Here attach and go inside. Attached,
Sir,
go
option
inside.
4.
Option.
Option 4.
4.
Okay, these are squares now. These are squares. Okay, these
Sir,
are answers.
option 4.
Yes. Why not one? Why not one? Here squares are there. Okay, realize. Simple technique. This will go here, he will attach. It will go here, it will do here like this. Okay. Next. Here. Next series. This series is again continuing. Oh, next. This fast. 16th one.
Sir, option 3.
Clockwise. 1, 2. Again, up will come. Option 3. Next fast. This one. 17th one.
Sir, option 3. Sir, option 3.
Yes. Circles are clockwise. 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 This one. Next.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
Option 4.
And gap came. Gap here. Option 1 is correct. Option 4 wrong. See here, gap is came here. And next is shifted to here. Next it will come here. First one. Okay, next here. I understood everyone in the class. I will erase for you. So this gap is came first for this purpose. Next second between. Third one.
Sir, 91 option 4.
Triangle before triangle.
21
Circle,
option
last
4.
circle, middle. Option 1. Here, middle, left. Again square must be middle.
2. Sir, option 2.
See here, square is corner. It came middle. Again corner. Square must be in middle. Understood? So these are only one answer will come. Again we will check other
Sir,
answer.
option 1.
Circle is corner. It is entered corner. And it middle means wait. You should not check a circle this time. Okay. Next triangle is in between and it came corner. Again it came corner. Some similar, some what we'll call something it's following. We have to follow that one. Wait. Triangle. Okay. Listen, see. I have understood. Okay, I will tell you. Circle is in movement. You once observe the circle. Circle went to. It went here. And it went again here. Shifted. And circle must be left. Understood? Triangle left came.
Option 4.
Triangle came left and from left to here came. Triangle is in anti-clockwise direction and triangle must be middle according to our rule.
Sir, option 2.
Where is a
Sir, option 2.
circle must be left side and square. You check the
Sir,
square rule.
option 2.
Square is
Sir,
here
option-
to between.
Sir,
Okay,
option
square is
2.
going